Hi there, welcome back to another Quick Win Wednesday. In this video we're going to talk about something I stumbled upon while I was reading through the documentation and the Laravel news posts of the entire year, and it was posted on Laravel News in April, I think, and it's actually the Fluent helper, which allows us to play around with multidimensional arrays. I wasn't aware this existed, and it's kind of a cool thing. So let's dive into it. All right, so I have this array over here, which is multidimensional, which has the key of dogs with my own dog Luna in here. She's 11 years old, and her details are she's a border collie. Her eyes are black. Her fur type is long, and her fur color combo is a classic black and white. For example, if I want to print out the name of the breed, say border collie, I would have to do a bunch of things like data brackets, dogs brackets, details brackets, and so forth. But we can actually call upon Fluent here, Fluent, and put the data in there, and then we can just use the dot syntax of get, and we can use like dogs dot details dot breed. And if I wrap that in dumper like so, there we go. Well, let's save that and test that out. There we go. I get border collie, and that's pretty cool, right? We can now like use a dot syntax to get a key in a multidimensional array once we wrap it into a Fluent helper. I think this is pretty cool. It's a PR from Philo Hermans. You should check out how it works. It's pretty amazing. So yeah, if you learned something from this one, like and subscribe, share, whatever, and I will see you in one of the next videos. Take care. Bye-bye.